Hi and welcome to day 6. So first of all, give yourself a big round of applause because you just passed to the second half, and that means that you have only 4 days left. So today's topic is time and appointments, and I will be teaching you 5 new phrases that you can use while making a plan with a friend or your colleague or your boss or whoever. All right, so let's start with the first sentence. What time is good for you? What time is good for you? So you're asking the person about the time of the meeting. You're gonna arrange a meeting, but you don't know what time you should set it for. So you ask the person, what time is good for you? All right, everybody, let's look at the next sentence. Let's meet at 10 a.m. Let's meet at 10 a.m. So this is like an answer to your question before. What time is good for you? Let's meet at 10 a.m. would be a great answer. Or if you want to meet at 11 a.m., then you can say 11 a.m. It depends on the time you choose. All right, next one. I need to reschedule our meeting. I need to reschedule our meeting. So this is what you use when plans change. When you need to replan the thing or you need to change the time of the meeting, you can say, let's reschedule, or I will need to reschedule our meeting. All right, everybody, you're doing amazing. Now the 4th phrase of the day. Can we move it to next week? Can we move it to next week? That is again very similar to what I just told you before. This is when you need to change the plans, the date or the time. You can just say move it. So when you say, can we move it to next week? I understand that you want to have it at a later time. Okay, now the last sentence. Are you ready? Okay, so it is, let's confirm the time later. Let's confirm the time later. We use this phrase when we are not sure about what time we should meet. So we say, let's confirm the time later. So it is like, let's set the time later. Let's decide on the time later. Let's agree on the time later. Or you can say, let's confirm the time later. All right, let's have it one more time all together. What time is good for you? Let's meet at 10 a.m. I will need to reschedule our meeting. Can we move it to next week? Let's confirm the time later. You did amazing. You just learned 5 new phrases. Congratulations! And day 6 is almost, but not yet, over. Now I will invite Andy here and we will give you an example of a mini dialogue so that you can see how to use these phrases on a daily basis. What time is good for you?
Let's meet at 10 a.m.
Actually, something came up.
Tak jo, studenti, tak jsme zvědaví, jakou větu byste doplnili za slovíčko actually. Těšíme se na vaše odpovědi, no a uvidíme se opět tomorrow. Bye!